us as DyeMansion, the UK market is a very special one because there are a lot of companies who are working with additive for many years, and so a lot of knowledge is here in the UK, a lot of experts, and of course that means that it's a very interesting market for us, and yeah, we are looking forward to a great show here.
The launch of the entire RAL range opens up a totally new world of design possibilities for 3D printed parts. So when we think 3 years back, it was always our goal to standardize our color offer, even when we had just 17 DyeMansion standard colors. From now on, we are able to provide the full RAL colors to all our customers' applications. We think that you can only achieve true freedom of design with a diversity of colors. So freedom of design is way more than just a free choice to produce any thinkable geometry. For producing a real end-use product, you will always require color in the end.
I think standards are a very important topic for the industry. When we want to become a serious manufacturing technology, then everything will be about standards in the different industries. And for us, as a company who is focusing mostly on colors, we thought, okay, let's take the standard in the color industry and to bring it to additive manufacturing. And so for us, it was an, let's say, easy decision to try to bring all the RAL colors to SLS and MJF parts.